Hey, Grim Skate here. So, I'm going to go over my sheer grip, polarized, penny style mini trucks. These are modified. I came up with these about 6 months ago. Just kind of toying around with the penny style base plates, and I had some extra sheer grip, newer style hangers, and wanted to do a modified penny style, um, polarized style mini truck. And while I was kind of toying around with it, I was building my own polarized board. And while I was doing that, I basically just decided to like pop out these axles on this, put extra long axles and the penny base plate, and then modify an insert sleeve inside the base plate, paint the hangers, add a teardrop pivot. So that's a rubber old school teardrop pivot, old school hardware, old school kingpin inverted, and old school washers. Also has the mini logo combo bushings and the array shock pad. So these are my sheer grip penny style polarized trucks. They are available on our website at arrayproducts.com. Grip and skate out.